Are you fascinated by roller coasters or think they're really cool but just can't quite get yourself on them? You wish you could do it but you just can't get over the fear to push through it and sit down in that seat and ride the ride. Well, I'm here to hopefully help you with my tips. I have 5 simple tips here to help you overcome this fear and get yourself on that ride you've been really wanting to get on. So, my first tip is to start small. Work on getting comfortable with those smaller coasters, getting used to that feeling, getting used to the feeling of the drop, the butterfly feeling, and get to where you can enjoy it and open your eyes the whole time. Some people say to just go ahead and jump on a huge coaster, scare the living daylights out of you, and then all the other smaller coasters will feel like nothing. But I don't really think that's quite the case for most people. Some people it works, you know. It depends for different people. This is what I did, and it really helped me, and I think it can really help you. And the tip number 2, if you're struggling in line, if you're waiting in line and the anxiety is just racking your body, you feel sick to your stomach might even hurt from the stress of worrying about getting on this ride. Distract yourself. Play on your phone the whole time if you have to. Look at cute videos of puppies or something. Distract yourself up until you're on the station, and then do not let yourself back out. Especially if you're going with other people, tell them, no matter what, get me on this ride. I want to be able to ride this. No matter what I say, don't let me back out. And remind me of this too. And that will kind of help just give you a little extra push to get on the coaster. Also, instead of thinking about how scary it's going to be or focusing on the knot in your stomach that's tearing you apart, think about how much fun it will be. The speed, airtime you're going to get, the feeling of weightlessness, and the excitement of riding with friends, or if you're by yourself, the excitement of getting yourself to do something new, you know? Something you haven't done before, and being proud of that. Focusing on the fun aspect of riding coasters and not letting yourself get to that negative space will really help you to go in with a better mindset so that you won't quite be as nervous. Tip number 3, I call this one woo-saw. Now, if you don't know what that term is, it's just essentially meaning to breathe and to relax. Breathe. Monitor your breathing, control your breathing, because that is something you can control. In through the mouth, out through the nose. Doing this will help slow your heart rate down in order to reduce some of these anxieties. Also, when you're getting onto the car, that's when you're probably going to feel the most anticipation for the ride. Focus on your breath at that moment as you're walking onto the car. Just think, in, out. In, out. And that ought to help calm your nerves a little bit. Now, you're still going to feel pretty nervous, but that's just what's going to come with it. And you can do it. Always remember you can do it. Tip number 4. Remember that you are safe. The safety of roller coasters are insane. Roller coasters are specifically engineered to make you feel like you are about to freaking fly out of this thing and die, but you don't. That's what they want you to feel. That's what it's specifically engineered to make you feel. But that won't happen. So always remember you will be safe. Tip number 5. This is the most important tip. Embrace your fear. Feel the fear throughout your whole body and express it. You might be thinking, doesn't this contradict number 2? Where you're trying to distract yourself from these negative thoughts or from these feelings? Well, that's to just get you on the coaster. Once you're on the coaster and the lap bars are locked down, you've been dispatched out of the station, there's no going back now. You're on this ride, and this is when a lot of people tend to freak out. So if you feel those feelings coming up, express them. Get that fear out. And as you're going up over the lift hill, man, scream your heart out. Don't be ashamed to scream. Let it out and express those feelings and be in the moment of riding the roller coaster and being scared, because then you can laugh about how crazy it was, or that you can be pumped up once you hit the final brake run before the station, talking about how you finally rode this huge, awesome roller coaster that you've been wanting to ride for so long but have been so scared to, and you're no longer the person waiting for all your friends to get off the ride to hand them, oh, here's your backpack, here's your sunglasses, here's your phone. how was the ride, everyone? And they have all just been like chatting, like screaming essentially about how much fun they had on the ride as they all walk off talking together. And then as you ride more and more, you'll become more comfortable with it. And then you can make jokes with your friends on the ride or talk about how scared you used to be on them. And then start practicing lifting your hands up. Every so often near the end of the ride on a small hill, throw them up, try it out. If you get too scared, boom, bring them back down. No big deal, but just try it, you know? Send them up every so often, and then you'll get more comfortable. That experience might, whoa, scare you, but also could be very exciting. Okay, so my camera's too hot to film in 60 FPS right now, so I have to film in 30. In conclusion here, the 5 tips were start small, build your confidence. Number 2 was if you're struggling to wait in line, try to distract yourself or think positively. Focus on how fun this ride could be. Number 3, breathe. Focus on your breathing, control your breathing, try to help keep yourself calm there. 4, know you're safe. You are safe. These rides are specifically engineered to make you feel like you're going to die, but you won't. You will not. Number 5, embrace the fear, live in the moment, express yourself on the ride, and learn to laugh at it. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that these tips help you overcome your fear in riding roller coasters, and so that you get fired up about going to the theme park and ready to hop on some awesome rides so that you can become excited about this and really experience something awesome. Whoa, it's time for a subscriber shout out. I'm Batman. And my voice sounds like garbage because I feel really sick today. It's awesome. I sound like one of those people from an anti-smoking campaign. This is why you don't smoke, children. Okay, so on to the subscriber shout out. This video's subscriber shout out goes to my youngest nephew Noah, and his YouTube channel is Borkmaster666, which is such a ridiculous name. It's hilarious. So if you want a subscriber shout out, all you have to do is leave a comment and be subscribed to me, and you might get one in my next video. Alright, that's all for this. Have a great one, you guys.
Hey there, thanks for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can also tap the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload next. And check out my Instagram account too. That's it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!